Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, we are discussing secrets in the Lyft Driver app. So if you're a Lyft driver, this is a great video for you to learn special gems that exist within the Lyft Driver app that not a lot of people, not a lot of drivers are aware of. And I actually took quite a bit of time to discover these, and throughout the years of myself being a Lyft driver, I started driving for Lyft back in 2017, I believe now. So, I've been pretty familiar with the Lyft Driver app, and I just would love to share it with you. So, want to get started now. If any of you guys have ever been deactivated by any of the gig apps, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Instacart, etc., I have a link below to a service that helps drivers on their journey towards reactivation. So it's not guaranteed, but it has helped drivers get reactivated already. And we do have a referral code linked in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is the Lyft Driver app. I don't want to show you my location, which is why I zoomed out quite a bit. So hopefully you can't see where we are. But the first one I wanted to share you is where you can find your scheduled pickups. So if you want to plan to get a ride early in the morning, start your day off early with a ride, this is the best way to do it. Click on these three lines in the top left corner and click on scheduled pickup, and here you will see, as of right now, there's none. But if you refresh, you gotta slide down. If you refresh, there will be rides that pop up, and you gotta accept it right away, because I guarantee you there's so many drivers doing this all night long waiting for the really good $100 5 a.m. ride to the airport. So if you want to start your day off with $100, this is one of the best ways to do it. Trust me, I've done this plenty of times, and it's a great way to just add an extra $100 to your day. So that's secret number one. Secret number two, which is actually really good, which is actually a really good secret to know, and I didn't know about this, but it's actually where you're gonna find your tax information. So as a driver, you have to pay your taxes, and it's actually really good to go over how much money you made, how much money you earned, and how much you're gonna owe in taxes. Now, when you go down here, you wanna click on account. Sorry, let's click on account here. And then you want to scroll down to pay and tax info. And what you want to do is scroll down to tax info, and you can view your documents right here. It's going to take you to lyft.com. You're going to have to verify your information, sign into it. But it's actually going to lay out your taxes, how much you owe, and your 1099 that you're going to have to pay that year. It's really, really good to have access to that information, so that way you are aware of how much money you can write off in taxes with your mileage and everything. Obviously, consult a CPA. I'm not a certified public accountant, so do your own tax and legal info research. But it's really good to be self-aware of how much money you're going to owe in taxes, so you don't get surprised with a big tax bill at the end of the year. And we do have other videos on taxes too, so check those out, please. And some of those are really good, helpful tips. All right, so another really awesome secret that a lot of drivers don't know is rewards. So if you go down to feedback and rewards, you can actually look into your Lyft rewards. And this, like it says here, it says, welcome to Lyft Rewards. Get more on every ride you give with rewards, exclusive features, and great ways to save. Earn points during busy hours. Get 1 point for, they made a spelling error there, classic Lyft. Get 1 point for every $1 of eligible earnings during peak times like rush hour. Keep up your driving score. Avoid canceling as much as possible and offer a great experience to keep passengers happy and increase your driving score. Go for the rewards. The higher your points and driving score, the closer you'll get to silver, gold, and platinum rewards. You can click see your rewards. Earn a driving score of 60% or higher and get 30 points to unlock silver rewards. Get up to 25 cents cash back on gas. Learn a language for $2 a month. Save on car services. Save on TurboTax self-employed. We were just talking about that. But gold rewards will give you up to 27 cents back per gallon of gas. And you get an additional destination filter, 32% cash back on gas. That's gonna save you tons of money. Free all-state roadside assistance. Get 2 additional destination filters. Enjoy streak bonus privileges. Resume broken streaks or get up to 2 prorate bonuses every 30 days. Pretty awesome, guys. So that's Lyft rewards. Okay, another secret is your feedback. A lot of drivers don't know this, but you can go through and see what drivers have said to you. I've had 56 people say I was a friendly driver. 48 say I had a clean car. 48 said good driving, above and beyond. 37 people said that. Smooth cruiser. Find out how you rank on 3 driving habits. I need to complete 20 more rides. But yeah, you can learn all about that stuff, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let's go back. So this is another secret is your earnings goal. What you want to do, my friends, I have an earnings goal of $1,924 per week, which I don't remember why I chose that number, but I chose it. Oh yeah, I chose that because it's $100,000 per year. I want to earn $100,000 per year, but you can just edit the goal, and it really helps you because as you drive throughout the week, it just allows you to kind of hit that goal, and you'll start filling in the progress, and it's really cool. All right, so another secret in the Lyft driving app, we're gonna look at deliveries. If you wanna do Lyft deliveries, not only drive, you can go down to support and safety, click on learning center, scroll down, and look at earn more with Lyft delivery. You wanna click that and click get started. And you will now be able to start delivering food, auto parts, prescriptions, and more, and you can actually make a ton of extra money. So anyways, guys, those are the Lyft secrets I want to share with you all today. Let me know your secrets down below. Have a great day, and if you enjoyed the video, thumbs it up. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.